the store gave me an extra few free gifts, so whatever. Well, let's unbox this thing. So the logo on this thing is embossed, unlike the Meilong 7x7. This one has a bit of texture to it. Stamp. Screwdriver. So for comparison, here's my main, the YJ Yushi. It's 69 millimeters. Nice. This one is like what, 63 if I remember correctly. Well, let's do some first turns. Bit dry. The frosted plastic, not really a fan. It's a bit slippery, but usually frosted plastic, the texture goes away after like a few solves. So you really have to use a screwdriver for this. The center caps are very hard to take off for some reason. So I loosened it half turn, so it should turn a bit better. So I guess we'll do some solves on this and give you a proper review after setting up and such. Alright. Hello, it's future me here. So after I've done some solves on it, I can tell you it's a very good budget 7x7 for the price. The rotating feel is kind of similar to that of the Moyu Worm Alpha 7x7, and it's very smooth and effortless after setting up by putting some lube onto the cube and breaking in. The corner cutting is about decent, but that's expected on big cubes since you really can't corner cut on big cubes like the 7x7 or 6x6. The texture of the cube is frosted plastic, which is not very good for big cubes like this since it makes the cube way more slippery than you would ever want it to be, like Moyu. Anywho, one way I found out to kind of eliminate this issue is to like polish the surface of the 7x7 with A4 paper on every side of the cube, so the frosted plastic would kind of go away and leave you with nice glossy finish. But the question is, should you buy it? For the price, I would highly recommend the Meilong 7x7 as a buy. It's smaller and lighter than most cubes, and for the price, it's so good for anyone just starting out 7x7 or want to give the event a try. But if you already have a flagship 7x7, like the high-end ones, like the Moyu Alpha Worm, it's not going to be worth it as you're like downgrading it anyways. But if you have something like the YJ MGC, I could see it as a great buy due to its smaller size and flagship-like performance comparable to the Moyu Alpha in terms of turning feel and performance, for around 1/4 the price of the Moyu Alpha. So that's all for this review. I'll see you next time on Ceqell Cubes. Bye.